motorhome built for those who demand performance, versatility, and comfort in every journey. Designed with precision engineering and crafted for off-grid adventures, this travel trailer combines rugged durability with modern luxury, making it the ultimate companion for outdoor enthusiasts and road travelers alike. The OVR Adventure is constructed with Intech's signature all-aluminum, fully welded cage frame, offering industry-leading strength, corrosion resistance, and a lighter tow weight. Its off-road tires, reinforced suspension, and high ground clearance give you the confidence to tackle a variety of terrains, from paved highways to remote backcountry trails. Step inside and be greeted by a spacious, intelligently laid-out interior that balances functionality with style. Panoramic windows provide expansive natural light and immersive views, bringing the beauty of the outdoors into your living space. The versatile dinette quickly converts into a sleeping area, and the dedicated queen bed ensures restful nights wherever you park. High-quality finishes, soft-touch cabinetry, and modern lighting give the cabin a refined yet inviting feel. The fully equipped kitchen includes a 2-burner stove, stainless steel sink, microwave, and a large refrigerator. Everything you need to prepare meals on the go. The wet bath features a combined shower and toilet space, maximizing efficiency without compromising comfort. Storage is thoughtfully integrated throughout, from overhead compartments to underbed access and exterior gear lockers. With optional solar prep, a high-capacity freshwater tank, and superior insulation, the Intech OVR Adventure is designed for extended stays off the grid. Whether you're setting up camp in the mountains or chasing sunsets along the coast, this motorhome offers the freedom to go further, stay longer, and experience more, without sacrificing the comforts of home. The Intech OVR Adventure isn't just a motorhome, it's a lifestyle choice, built for those who live boldly, travel intentionally, and value both performance and peace of mind. Take the next step in your journey with a motorhome that's as adventurous as you are. Experience the perfect blend of luxury, performance, and intelligent design with the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Delano 24RW motorhome built to elevate every journey. Powered by the trusted Mercedes-Benz 3.0-liter V6 diesel engine, this coach delivers efficient performance, smooth handling, and the reliability you'd expect from a globally respected brand. Whether you're navigating mountain roads or cruising down the interstate, the Delano 24RW offers an exceptional driving experience with advanced safety features like lane keeping assist, collision prevention, and adaptive cruise control. Step inside and discover a thoughtfully crafted interior designed for comfort and style. The Delano 24RW features dual slide-outs, maximizing your living space to create a roomy, open environment. Premium residential finishes, soft LED lighting, and elegant cabinetry give the cabin a refined feel. The versatile Murphy bed with sofa combo transforms your lounge into a restful sleeping area, while the Dream Dinette offers both a cozy dining spot and an additional sleeping option. The fully equipped kitchen includes a recessed gas cooktop, convection microwave, solid surface countertops, and a double-door refrigerator, allowing you to prepare meals just like at home. The rear bathroom is spacious and well-appointed, with a skylight over the shower, stainless steel fixtures, and generous storage for extended travel. Stay connected and entertained on the road with a 40-inch LED TV, Bluetooth soundbar, and WineGuard Connect 2.0, offering Wi-Fi, 4G, and TV antenna capabilities. Climate control is handled with a high-efficiency ducted air conditioning system and a Truma AquaGo Comfort instant water heater. With ample exterior storage, a power awning with integrated LED lighting, and an Onan diesel generator, the Delano 24RW is ready for every adventure, whether it's a weekend getaway or a cross-country expedition. Refined, capable, and designed to impress, the Mercedes-Benz Delano 24RW is more than just a motorhome. It's your passport to travel in comfort, style, and confidence. Step into a new class of luxury travel with the Touring Dembo motorhome, a masterpiece of engineering, design, and refinement. Created for discerning travelers who demand more than just mobility, The Dembel is a luxury motorhome that redefines freedom on the road. Inspired by the elegance of super yachts and the precision of European automotive craftsmanship, the Dembel brings high-end living to every mile of your journey. Built on a robust Mercedes-Benz Actros chassis, the Dembel combines smooth, stable performance with top-tier safety features. Whether you're crossing countries or exploring hidden escapes, this motorhome offers a confident, quiet ride with cutting-edge driver assistance systems and unmatched reliability. Inside, the Dembel Touring Edition boasts a meticulously designed luxury interior, rivaling the comfort of high-end residences. Featuring premium materials, handcrafted finishes, and designer furnishings, every inch of the space is tailored for indulgence. A spacious living area offers a lounge-like atmosphere with elegant seating, a motorized TV, and ambient lighting. The fully equipped kitchen includes top-of-the-line appliances, solid surface countertops, and ample storage, ideal for gourmet cooking on the go. The private master bedroom features a king-size bed, high-end bedding, and wardrobe space, ensuring restful nights wherever the road leads. The spa-style bathroom includes a walk-in shower, designer fixtures, and a luxurious vanity, giving you the comfort of a boutique hotel. Additional highlights include an integrated garage for a luxury car, a state-of-the-art entertainment system, intelligent climate control, and customizable living zones. With expandable sidewalls, the interior space grows at the push of a button, offering unmatched roominess for life on the road. For those who see travel as an extension of lifestyle, not a compromise, the Dembel Touring Motorhome delivers the ultimate mobile living experience. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement of freedom, elegance, and precision. Introducing the Space Campers, a revolutionary camper system designed specifically for the Tesla Cybertruck, merging futuristic innovation with practical adventure-ready design. Built for the bold explorers of tomorrow, this camper redefines off-grid living with Tesla-inspired efficiency, cutting-edge technology, and minimalist luxury. Crafted from aerospace-grade materials to perfectly complement the Cybertruck's angular design and rugged durability, the Space Camper is lightweight yet robust. Its fully integrated clamshell roof deploys effortlessly, creating standing room in a spacious interior while maintaining a low aerodynamic profile when closed. Setup takes just minutes, giving you more time to focus on what matters: exploration, relaxation, and freedom. Inside, the camper is brilliantly engineered to maximize every inch. The multi-use sleeping platform transforms into a workspace or lounge, while modular storage units allow for flexible organization. A compact kitchenette system can be configured with a sink, induction cooktop, and fridge, making it easy to cook comfortably in remote environments. Optional features include a hot water system, solar power integration, and an indoor-outdoor shower, bringing modern conveniences into the wild. Built with off-grid living in mind, the camper includes integrated battery support from the Cybertruck, optional solar panels, and water storage solutions, giving you the autonomy to roam far and stay longer. The design prioritizes simplicity and sustainability without sacrificing comfort, making it ideal for eco-conscious adventurers. Whether you're heading into the backcountry, exploring national parks, or setting up camp on the edge of the grid, the Space Campers unit for the Cybertruck turns your vehicle into a fully functional, self-contained micro-home. Futuristic, functional, and designed for adventure, Space Campers is more than a camper. It's a statement of freedom, independence, and innovation. Your Cybertruck just became your home base for the journey ahead. Introducing the Brooder EXP7, a new benchmark in expedition vehicles that redefines what it means to travel off-grid. Designed and engineered in Australia, home to some of the harshest terrain on Earth, the EXP7 is built for adventurers who demand world-class capability, uncompromising comfort, and complete self-sufficiency. Whether you're navigating remote deserts, snowy mountain passes, or coastal wilderness, the EXP7 is your ultimate home on wheels. Constructed with Brooder's proprietary monocoque body and military-grade chassis, the EXP7 offers extreme durability and unmatched off-road performance. Its four-corner air suspension system automatically adapts to the terrain, offering up to 12 inches of ride height adjustment for superior ground clearance and stability. The result is a smooth, confident ride, even in the most rugged environments. The EXP7's intelligent design allows it to be configured in two models: EXP7 GT for traditional touring, and EXP7 PT with pop-top roof for added headroom, each offering robust insulation, soundproofing, and protection from the elements in all climates. Step inside and discover a refined, modern interior built for both function and luxury. The cabin features a queen-size bed, convertible lounge seating, and premium finishes throughout. The fully equipped kitchen includes induction cooking, a refrigerator, stainless steel sink, and ample storage. The onboard wet bath includes a hot shower and toilet designed for efficiency and cleanliness in compact form. With a state-of-the-art electrical system powered by lithium batteries, solar panels, and inverter tech, the EXP7 supports extended off-grid living. It also features integrated water purification, heating, air conditioning, and even Starlink internet readiness for those who need to stay connected wherever they roam. Every detail of the Brooder EXP7 is engineered to the highest standards, offering a seamless blend of rugged performance and sophisticated living. Whether you're embarking on a weekend expedition or a global overland journey, the EXP7 is built to go further, stay longer, and live freer.